XRP took the crypto community by surprise over the weekend. On Saturday, January 11th, XRP saw a remarkable 10% price rally, pushing it up to retest the $2.60 resistance level. This price point hadn't been seen in over a month, signaling renewed bullish interest in the asset. But as quickly as it surged, XRP experienced a pullback, leaving many investors wondering, what's next for XRP? Arthur, a seasoned market analyst with years of experience in technical analysis, weighed in on the situation. According to him, this surge was more than just a fleeting price pump, it was a significant bullish breakout from a symmetrical triangle pattern on XRP's daily chart. For those unfamiliar, a symmetrical triangle pattern often signals the potential for major price movements, and XRP's breakout was backed by rising momentum and volume. However, Arthur emphasized the importance of confirmation. It's not enough for a price to break out, it must sustain above key levels for traders to fully commit. Right now, that key level is $2.50. Holding above this point could solidify XRP's upward momentum, but falling below it could introduce more downside risk. Looking deeper into the data, Arthur analyzed XRP's trading volume during the pullback. Interestingly, while there was an increase in volume, it wasn't substantial. This suggests that sellers might be hesitant, and the pullback could simply be a temporary correction rather than the start of a deeper bearish trend. Supporting this view, the Crypto Basic reported that XRP's open interest in the derivatives market soared past $5 billion during this correction. This increase in open interest indicates growing engagement and anticipation in XRP's next move. Arthur also turned his attention to the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a popular indicator used to gauge market momentum. XRP's RSI currently sits at 59.72, reflecting moderate bullish sentiment. Importantly, it remains below the overbought threshold of 70, signaling that XRP still has room to grow before hitting overbought conditions. So, where do traders go from here? Arthur identified several key profit-taking zones that investors should closely watch. On the downside, the $2.50 level, which served as resistance before the breakout, is now acting as a critical support. If XRP can hold above this, it strengthens the case for continued upward movement. However, if it breaks below, deeper support levels at $2.20 and $1.80 could come into play. On the upside, the next major resistance level stands at $2.80, followed by the psychologically significant $3 mark. Arthur pointed out that these areas could serve as profit-taking zones where investors may lock in gains. Arthur outlined two possible scenarios for XRP's near-term price action. Bullish scenario: if XRP successfully retests the $2.50 support and holds, we could see a rally toward $2.80 or even the $3 milestone. Breaking past these levels could unleash even more bullish momentum, especially as stop losses placed by short sellers in the $2.80 to $3 liquidity zone get triggered, potentially fueling more buying pressure. Bearish scenario: if selling pressure intensifies and XRP slips back into the symmetrical triangle, the price could decline toward the $2.20 or even $1.80 support levels. However, Arthur notes that the lower liquidity zone between $2.20 and $1.80 might attract accumulation, possibly setting the stage for a rebound. Liquidity zones play a crucial role in these movements. The upper liquidity zone between $2.80 and $3 could drive prices higher if breached, while the lower zone between $2.20 and $1.80 may act as a safety net where buying interest could reignite. Despite the recent pullback, Arthur remains cautiously optimistic. XRP's bullish breakout suggests strength, but holding key support levels is critical for sustaining upward momentum. As of now, XRP has dipped below $2.50 and is trading at $2.44, marking a 3.45% drop in the past 24 hours. So, what should traders and investors do now? Arthur advises closely monitoring trading volume and price action around these critical support and resistance zones. Confirmation is key. If you find this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bahubali Crypto for more updates on everything XRP and cryptocurrency.